Hello, and welcome back to our channel. You've already read the title, now let's get into it. Number 1. Curated Virtual Art Gallery. Here you can showcase extraordinary artwork from talented artists around the world. Just immerse yourself in a digital haven of artistic brilliance, featuring hand-picked masterpieces from diverse genres and periods, all presented with insightful commentary. Number 2. Traveling Through Time. Start a channel by presenting historical reenactments and immersive time travel adventures. Embark on thrilling voyages through history, showcasing ancient civilizations, pivotal moments, and lost worlds, while bringing the past to life through captivating animations. Number 3. Mystery Unboxings. Unbox intriguing packages with hidden surprises and clues. Unravel the enigmatic allure of secret packages and concealed treasures, where every unboxing holds the promise of intriguing surprises and captivating stories. Number 4. Science Experiments Compilation. Compile exciting and safe science experiments that can be done at home. Show the wonders of scientific inquiry with a mesmerizing compilation of experiments, showcasing the marvels of the natural world and the power of human curiosity. And finally, number 5. Silent Comic Strips. Tell entertaining stories through wordless comic strips. Experience the beauty of wordless storytelling and dive into an enchanting world of artistry, where emotions and tales unfold through expressive illustrations and evocative visuals. If you like what you've heard so far, please check back tomorrow for more. Also like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye for now.